In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Excel default save location so that your files are saved directly to your computer and not to OneDrive. This is a helpful setting to adjust if you prefer storing your documents locally for quicker access, or if you're working with sensitive data, you want to keep off cloud services. First things first, make sure you have your Microsoft Excel application opened up and ready to go. Once Excel is up and running, the next thing you'll want to do is open a document. Any document will work, whether it's a new or existing file, because what we're looking to change is a setting within the application itself, not the individual files. Now, locate the File tab at the top left corner of the Excel window. Clicking on this reveals a drop-down menu with several options. From here, go ahead and select the options at the bottom of the list, which will open up the Excel Options dialog box. This is essentially the control center for all the customizable elements in Excel. Within the Excel options, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side. Here, you want to choose Save. The Save options are where you can customize how your files are saved and where. You'll see a section labeled Save Files. Take a look at the field labeled Default Local File Location. This is currently set to OneDrive by default, and that's what we're going to change. You'll want to click into this field and manually input the path to the new save location on your computer. If you're unsure about how to format the path, a simple way to find it is to open a File Explorer window. Navigate to the location where you want your Excel files to be saved and copy the path from the address bar. Paste this directly into the default local file location field. Now, a little tip here. Double-check that this path doesn't have any typos or extra spaces, as those can cause save errors down the line. It's also wise to confirm the directory you're choosing has enough space to store your files, especially if you work with large spreadsheets. After you've entered your desired location, click OK to save your changes and close out of the Excel Options dialog box. From now on, when you hit Save or Ctrl+S, your files will default to being saved directly to the location on your computer instead of OneDrive, saving you precious time and potential hassle. So that's it. You've successfully changed the default save location in Excel. By taking this simple step, you can ensure your files are stored exactly where you want them, giving you greater control and peace of mind over your data. Thanks for watching and happy saving.